Avian world domination is strongly linked to birds' capacity to exploit every environment in their relentless struggle for existence. No group of vertebrates on the planet has conquered both land and the sea, the sky and the poles, as well as the tropics, with such a multiplicity of forms. In this program, we will follow the lives and fortunes of different bird species as they adjust their survival strategies according to the cycle of the seasons. Never-ending and often full of drama, change brings life for these flying creatures, but also death for those ill-adapted to it. In the end, we will witness how birds overcame that greatest of challenges, living with us.